Oh, what the fuck is that supposed to mean?
When you go,
You heard me, bitch.
Bet you won't say it to my face, ho.
Bitch, you ugly.
Bitch, that's why you look like a fucking can of green beans.
That's why you fucking look like a toe. No
bitch,
toe.
that's what you look like, a camel toe.
Bitch, at least I got it. Boy, at least I got a camel toe. What you mean? Hey.
You knuckle looking
Bitch,
ass.
you know what's the fucking... You look like a Cabbage Patch.
Okay.
Fucking Cabbage Patch Kid.
Andrew was like, hit your moose knuckle looking ass. I'm like, I mean, he ain't wrong though. What up?
No, I'm
Doofus is
never
mine.
touching Doofus again.
Doofus is my character. He's mine. He's on me.
You can calm down anytime now.
Yeah, I don't like what you're doing.
I don't like the way you're talking to me.
Like you're talking to me.
I don't like your tone. What's your friend forever? Look at
Oh,
El.
yeah,
Oh,
daddy.
for a second, I didn't stop. I didn't see Ellis holding the gun. I thought it was just him holding his crotch. He looked like he was just holding his crotch. I'm like, okay.
With this big dog, we don't need guns when we got this. Chop,
Kyle, slow
Chop.
down.
chop, chop.
Kyle, slow down.
No, I'm a shop. I'm a shop.
Kyle, slow down.
I'm a shop.
How do I... Wait, what's going on? How do I...
How do you what?
You know, just asking how do I and not telling us what you're trying to do doesn't make it any easier.
How do I don't get it. How do I...
Like I said,
How do you what? Tell us.
just saying how do I and not saying
How?
what you need help
How?
with.
How? Come on, guys, seriously, how?
Okay, you know what? Just leave him.
No, this
Fuck it.
bad. Like, how?
Press
How do
E. Press E to
Press
pick
E
it up.
on it.
Oh, there we
Dumbass.
go.
There's a jockey nearby. Hey, just so you know,
Wait, is
to the
that
left.
you? Are you coach?
yeah, I'm the black guy. That's. Oh, there's a charger too.
Where's the charger at?
Oh, Santa's elves.
Oh, there's a jockey.
Ah, get off me! Get off me!
How do I get my pistols back?
Yeah, scroll the wheel. Shoot it!
Yeah, the pistols in the mail.
Help
I'm
me!
scrolling, but it's
What
not
the
working.
fuck are you guys doing?
Just keep getting a med pack.
Like, what are you guys
Oh, I
doing?
guess I can only have a melee weapon. Like,
You're gonna take the melee weapon or the pistols? Because those count as your secondary.
oh, what's your primary?
We haven't gone to a primary yet.
Yeah, we're still goddamn loading. Okay, coach, I'm gonna need you to chill out.
Can you run in this game, or are you just like?
Nah,
No.
there's a boomer
Okay,
nearby.
figured
I see him.
that. Wait,
Kyle,
guys.
don't. You're about to do something real stupid. That was really stupid what you're about to do. The zombie died in the splits. On my screen, the zombie died doing the splits. He like slid into the splits.
Oh no, he's still on the splits on my screen.
Okay, we're still. Oh,
He's not doing the splits on my screen. His legs are just twisted together.
which way are we supposed to go? Hey, Kyle, can you drop that? Hey, Andrew, can you go pick up that thing behind you? Over there by the window. Or the door. We're gonna need that. Yeah, can you go pick that up? Yeah,
The gas
that.
can? Do I- You're an ass.
I didn't think it was gonna be that easy. Oh, you guys want some adrenaline? There's like a shitload of adrenaline in here. That's like
You can fight a witch. I ain't doing that. There's
Oh,
a tank.
tank! Nugget and a biscuit song coming on. I see it.
Oh no, I
Coming
can't
down the
control-
alleyway.
Wait, who has a Molotov? Someone has to have a Molotov.
I do.
I didn't
but
take
don't know how
one
to
off. I
use
had to
it.
fight
Yeah, throw the Molotov at it.
How?
Scroll your wheel.
Where do I throw it at?
I throw it at the tank.
Him.
Where's the tank?
Where the cars are flying at us.
Oh shit!
Oh my god!
Oh no!
Fuck niggas down.
Oh no!
Oh my god. And you missed the tank. Kyle, I hope you're just running, because that...
Oh fuck!
Come in the
What are
corner.
you doing?
How did we fail? How did we fail so badly? Did you do it?
He did it.
Oh my god, dude,
Super
heal
safe,
yourself. There's
Yeah.
a spitter nearby, by the way. Right behind you. Kyle, behind you! Oh, Kyle, you got a horde.
Run.
Come, Kyle, you got a horde.
Run! Run. Run.
Oh my god, dude.
You're gonna blow yourself up with the car.
Kyle, shoot that car. I'll get their attention. Never mind, you actually shot it. I was kidding.
Hey, me too.
Run.
Kyle, there's a door. Door to your left. There's a door to your left.
That sword saved your life.
Well,
Just run. What are you doing?
Kyle, what are you doing?
I'm trying to get to the door.
No, it's not that door. It's the one. It's the one next to. Oh, can you go through that? Yeah, you can go through that. Never mind.
Close the door.
Come on. When are we gonna respawn?
Oh no, they're busting through. Oh no.
Oh no. This literally can't get any worse. This can't get any worse.
No,
I can't see.
It's over.
It's over. It's so over.
Oh shit. He's going ham with that. I mean, he's. Why did I say ham? What the fuck?
What are you, a vegan?
Yeah.
Ew.
Behind you, Kyle. Yeah, there you
Filthy
go.
vegan.
A spinner.
How are you still alive, dude?
How? Just
Kyle's a
run.
legend. Kyle's a legend right now.
Kyle, that katana like did like way more like.
MLG. Yeah, we're alive. We need weapons.
Yeah, we need weapons.
I can see the jockey too.
Look at
Oh, Kyle's going after you.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
Oh god, Charger! Help me! Help me! Wow, right back where we started, huh, Kyle?
This game, man. This fucking game.
We're right back where we started. Look on the bright side. I got 10 health. I always got the pistol. What
At least you're
happened?
alive this time.
Oh my
How'd you fall
god.
down with us?
Help!
God damn it, I have to go all the way back up.
Help!
Alright, come on! Oh shit! Let me in! Oh shit. Okay.
Hey, I did it.
He did it!
Oh my god.
That was pure chaos, honestly.
That was terrible.
That was terrible. I didn't
That clutch.
think that was actually gonna happen, honestly. How'd you do,
Hardcore
Jesus Christ, how'd you do so much damage to the tank?
Because I was the only one alive shooting it?
That's fair, fair, fair. I didn't say anything. What'd you say?
Hey, Corey.
What? I hate you.